Welcome back to KSFY Morning News. I'm Nora Cable, and today I'm taking over for my dad because you're doing gardening with kids. And Doug Schroeder's here to help us out.
Thank you, Nora. Yes, gardening with kids has become one of our favorite segments we do every year. It's a great family event. It's time to plant together, and kids love watching plants grow and helping take care of them.
So Doug, take us through what we're going to do today.
Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're all going to pick out a container, and we're going to get that ready with a little bit of soil, and then we'll go and pick out a flower, and we're going to plant it.
So Doug, what kind of flowers do we get to pick from?
You get to pick from salvia, some marigolds, petunias, a couple different colors, celosia, vinca, and down at this end we have more marigolds, petunias, and vinca at that end there, Nora. So these are great hardy plants, easy to maintain. They'll bloom all summer long.
Hey kids, let's pick out a pot and some flowers. Okay Doug, so what's next?
Well, we're all going to take a cup, a styrofoam cup is what I find works very well for planting. This way you can scoop the dirt and put it into the container. I think if everybody puts a scoop or two in their container at the bottom, that's a good way to start.
All right.
So Doug, now that we have the dirt in, what do we do next?
Now we're all going to pick out our flower. We're going to take and tip this upside down, shake it a little bit. Your plant will come out. Once you get the plant out, we'll place it like that. Good job. Okay, just tip it upside down. Pull, there we go. There we go. And now that we have our plants in the containers, we're going to use our cups and fill in around the plant. There we go.
So Doug, now what do we need to do to keep them healthy and living all summer long?
Well, we need to water them. They need water. So what I always suggest people doing is to stick their finger into the soil to see if it really does need water. If it's dry to about the first knuckle, then you're going to have to water it. Fertilizer. Always recommend fertilize your plants at least once or twice a week.
Okay everyone, let's all see your flowers.
Good job, everyone.
Did everyone have a good time?
Yeah.
Thanks for coming, Doug.
Thanks, Nora.
We're gonna have to take a break, but we'll be right back.